Understanding moving too fast in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, moving too fast. This phrase can be used in various contexts, and understanding its nuances can really help in daily English communication. Let's dive in. The phrase, moving too fast, literally refers to something or someone moving at a high speed. This is its most straightforward meaning. For example, if someone is driving a car too quickly, you might say, "You're moving too fast." More often, moving too fast is used figuratively, especially in the context of relationships. When someone says a relationship is moving too fast, they mean that the relationship is progressing more quickly than they are comfortable with. It could involve deep emotional connections, commitments, or physical intimacy happening sooner than one or both partners are ready for. This phrase can also be applied metaphorically to life decisions or changes. For instance, if someone is making big life changes like a new job, relocating, or investing without much thought, they might be moving too fast. Here, it suggests a lack of careful consideration or planning. In professional settings, moving too fast can refer to rushing through tasks or projects. This can imply a risk of making mistakes due to not taking enough time to ensure quality and accuracy. It's a caution against hasty actions in a business environment. Understanding the phrase, moving too fast, in its various contexts is a great step in mastering everyday English. Whether in personal relationships, making life decisions, or in professional settings, this phrase is a useful addition to your English vocabulary. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll be fluent in no time.